saying about the activists. Remember, I had this. Maybe can I still see if it's still here? I in 2010 when I was going to the just when I was on the way out to that American Academy of Management conference in Montreal, I wrote this last blog post that was addressing this really frustrating thing about activism. And you know how like activists they make a big thing, but then they're so desperate to make a point that they'll take what's easy, that easy point that actually is not valid, or it's like so it detracts from credibility, right? It says wait, why do I have that ad still on top of my but what I was looking for was so 2010 August, I think, or is it yeah, here, probably here. Oh, this is, Edward, can you see like the actual post that the actual first post that comes up isn't well, that's not the one, but I mean like here, just it's this one. It was when I clicked on 2010, or here, see this. This is actually what we're talking about, Ron. Like this topic, the fragility of knowledge. This is what we're talking about right now. It's like saying, yeah, because it sounds like you're dead. Like, where does this say? Where does it say this? Like, where did I write that? Edward below. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, you mean you remember seeing this from before? No, you actually did. And it's like, hey Robin, It's like, hey Robin, and you know those questions that you ask me. But hold on, just why I want to. Oh, it's not signed in. Hold on. The one I was looking for is actually it's this month, but then let me see. I'm just trying to find it by. But anyways, it was describing a Big Mac because they were trying to complain about the health of McDonald's food or something, and they were listing the ingredients, and the activist guy was critiquing each of the ingredients. The one when he came to calcium carbonate, then he called it the calcium salt of carbonic acid, and I thought that's true. It is that. Even more that than hydrogen, but it's even more that than when you said hydrogen hydroxide or the acid. It literally is the calcium salt of carbonic acid. The problem is that carbonic acid it's when you bubble carbon dioxide through water, then you get carbonic acid. It's acid rain. It's what you drink when you drink Coke, right? But it sounds scary because you're talking about acid and they don't talk about it that way. And then you say calcium salt of it is like, but it's chalk. Right? I mean, chalk is calcium carbonate, and it's in Tums. It's in yes. Well, it's an alkaline. But yeah, it is a base. You're right. Because that's why they said though it's a calcium salt. Remember the conjugate acid. I mean, it's a conjugate the conjugate base of a weak acid is a yeah. It means. Well, it's not an acid though. Remember, calcium carbonate is you had carbonic acid, which was wait. Actually, you know what? I happen to have put. Hey, Edward, I happen to have put like a whole bunch of let's see, easy chem structures editor, or here it'd be like, wow, thank you for the opportunity to like to demonstrate